right, guys, today's mission is to figure out how well two-wheel drives work in the snow. We got the Funco, we got the Traxxas Slash, and also a little Big Foot. Let's get this going. Hey, buddy. They try to climb a tree. Going in reverse. So far, no traction. Just sliding in two-wheel drive. Oh, nice. I'm sure with TSM it helps, but we're just sliding. Look at him, just reverse. Full throttle reverse. He go. He's in the neighbor's road ditch. Let's see how the Funco does on the road. It looked like it could hit a wheelie right over here. The only time you won't mess up paddles on the road. Yeah. Get going there, buddy. Turn up the TSM a little bit. See if I can get Zachary. Look at Michael go. Yeah. Here he come in reverse. I am definitely getting better grip than the other truck. Yeah. Oh. No. Come Zachary in reverse. No. I'll get it, Michael. Zachary all the way over. Oh, he did a little jump. It is snowing out here. Oh! You having fun with that one?
Yeah.
Oh, it's in a mailbox. There you go. Real ice over here. Which one do you like the best, Michael?
Probably this one.
Dude, the snow's really coming down.
It's coming down a lot.
Yeah, it didn't look like you didn't like Bigfoot. It kept flipping over with you.
Yeah. I don't know if
Uh-oh. Ooh. I clipped that mailbox. I don't think I broke anything, though. Uh-oh, here we go again. There we go, there's some snow. So far, two-wheel, you just slide into it. All three of us.
That's like an actual flake, like the cartoon.
Let me see it. Actual flake, is it still there?
On my shoulder.
Look at that. Oh, yeah.
Look at this one.
That's an actual snowflake. That's an actual snowflake. Wow.
I thought that was just pretend.
Me too. Michael, come over here real quick. I think you broke something. Maybe my wheel nut just didn't tighten enough. Come on, Zachary, push me. Gotta steer, Michael.
How about that?
There we go. Making it back home. Whoa! Full throttle. Oh my God, I threw snow everywhere. It's so cold out here. Oh, gonna take me down with my Funco again. It's trying to wheelie. I'm driving. I'm driving. I'm driving. There we go. We carved out. And it went into low power mode. Go for it. No! My creation! $1,400 well spent, huh? For a two-wheel drive. What'd you guys think?
Those things are cool.
Yeah,
With
fun
the
time?
ice, it makes it so fun.
Oh, Michael. Smack the tree. Breaking all my grass. That was a culvert. Then it's not turning now, is it? Bro just hit the culvert and then hit the telephone pole. And then the telephone pole again. Nice. You like that one?
That one's awesome.
Yeah. Funco's pretty sweet. Surprised the battery hadn't died yet. All right, can we break Zachary's mirror off? Oh my God. Dude, we just slide everywhere. Can't even go straight, yeah. Look at the tires. My Bigfoot tires are just... Two-wheel drives can't do anything. Oh my God. Look at my tires if I go backwards. Oh my God. Oh, we're actually digging for once. Look at that. Boink. We all look like we don't know how to drive. Oh. I think I got you, Michael. Oh no, we're all in the culvert now. We're all bundled up in the culvert. All right, I got it. I don't slip and fall down here. This is all ice. We're just staying in place. We're just staying in place. Once you get in the culvert, you can't get out. This is how a real vehicle would be. There we go. Is it not? I told you Michael's would be on the Fury and brake first. How dare you, Michael? Oh my God, two-wheel drive is so hard. Look at Michael go. He's just doing donuts all the way down the hill. I'm just doing donuts all the way down the hill. Don't even turn. Woo! Almost slipped right there. Is it not turn? Is it not driving again? All All right, Mike, I'll go get it. Maybe this Fury's just at its end.
It's like, come on, retire me over here.
Yeah. It's acting like the battery is dead. Just full throttle it real quick. When it does it again, Michael, I'll go get you another one. Zachary slid right up to me. Hold on, can we do some donuts together? There we go. Did it again? Hey, I got down to the actual road. Look at that, it's like 40 foot deep. That's like 40 feet deep right there, man. That's crazy.